So our command is constructed, and now we can execute it. So after the switch statement, I'm going to use a try-catch block where we will use the command object and the adapter and as well as the data table. So let's do that. So try and catch. And we will catch in the exception. And if we encounter an exception, we'll simply display a message box and display the message. So e dot message. And we can put some text into the window. So it's gonna be error in SQL. And the message button will be just OK. And error icon. Now over here I have it as E, and I have the event args as E, so I'll just use this as EX and change the message to EX as well. So that's our try. That's our catch. And now let's do the try. And here we'll put the command into the adapter. So first, let's create the command object. So our command will equal the new OLEDB command. And we are passing the SQL statement. So the complete SQL statement. And of course, we need the connection, which is the connection to the database. Now we'll pass that into the adapter. So our adapter, and we'll pass it to a select command because that's what we are using, and it will equal the command. You should be already familiar with this workflow. And now we of course have the data that will be selected in a table. So now we fill that table into an adapter. So our adapter dot fill the data, the table. That's how I named the data table. And all that is left is to bind the grid view. And for the grid view, all we have to do is bind the data source because it will automatically fill the grid view with all the data that's being selected. So our grd books, the data source equals, and it's the table itself, so it's gonna be the table. That's the data table that we have. So now, after the try catch, even if we fail, we want to dispose of the objects. So we want to dispose of the command. We want to dispose of the adapter. And we want to dispose of the table. So this is all the code we need. Now we are ready to test it.